がJoyです。I hope you've been keeping well. Today I thought we'd take a little detour for something different, a quick and cozy practice session to use your Japanese in context. Alright, we've just stepped into the kitchen, so before I tell you the Japanese names for these ingredients, take a moment to look at everything on the screen and ask yourself, how many can I name in Japanese? I'll give you about 10 seconds. Okay, let's go over them together. First up, egg, tamago, milk, 牛乳 oil 油 flour 小麦粉 sugar 砂糖 salt 塩 Okay, now that we've reviewed some common ingredient words, let's get into the real action. Next up, we'll go over some essential action verbs you'll often see in cooking or baking instructions. Let's take a look. Can you tell me what's happening here in Japanese? That's right. To crack is waru. What about the next one? Correct. To mix is mazeru. What about this one? Good. The verb to knead is koneru. Just two more. What's this action verb here? Right. To sift is furu. And last one. What's happening here? Fantastic. To fry is ageru. Before we jump into our practice recipe, here are a few more useful Japanese verbs that often come up in cooking or baking. First up is hakaru, which means to measure. Next is ireru, which means to put in or to add. Third is mabusu, which means to dust. And bonus, hakkou saseru or hakkou suru, the root, to ferment or to let something rise. Nice work with those verbs. You're starting to build a really solid kitchen vocabulary, both nouns and actions. Now it's time to put everything together. We'll walk through a simple donut recipe step by step, filling in the missing Japanese words as we go. Let's get started. Step 1. Crack the egg in a bowl. Which word completes this sentence? That's right. Waru. Step 2. Add the sugar and mix well. What do you think fits in the blanks? Perfect. Sato and mazeru. Step 3. Gradually add the milk. Which word completes the sentence? Correct. Irete. Step 4. Continue mixing. What word would you put in the blank? Good. Mazeru. Step 5. Sift the flour and which word completes this sentence? That's right. 小麦粉. Step 6. Add it to the batter. Which word completes this sentence? Perfect. 入れる. Step 7. Knead the dough. Which word completes this sentence? Good. こねる. Step 8. Shape the dough into balls and let them rest. This one's a bit tricky, so let's read it together. 生地を丸めてしばらく休める. Step 9. Fry the dough. What fits in the blank? Correct. 揚げる. Step 10. When golden brown, remove and let them cool. We have another tricky one, so let's read it through together. きつね色になったら取り出して冷ます. Last one, step 11. Dust with sugar. Do you remember the bonus verbs we talked about earlier? What completes this sentence? Amazing. The answer is まぶす. That's all for today. Please give yourself a pat on the back if you've made it to the end of this session. If you felt a bit lost at any point, that's completely understandable. This was a short, condensed video, and there's still plenty to unpack, so please be kind to yourself. If you've got an appetite for more, take a closer look at some of the elements we used today, like verbs, prepositions, and adjectives. You might explore how conjugations work, or dive into other topics like counters. And if you'd like to add more flavor and depth to your skills, you can book a session or start with a free consultation using the link in the description. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more bite-sized Japanese lessons. Thank you for choosing me as your guide. Stay curious, keep practicing, and keep adding sweetness to your Japanese. Until next time, またね! Bye bye!